Hey, really fast. When was the last time you said yes while deep inside you were saying no? You feel tired, angry, and slightly annoyed with yourself. Is that you now? Stay, because today, you're going to stop being a people pleaser forever. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If we are new here, then hit the subscribe button right away because we are going to set your life afire in the most wonderful way. Let's face it, trying to be that nice guy or sweet girl has cost you a lot: time, energy, chances, and even your own dreams. There is nothing wrong with wanting to stop, you have just simply had it with being a human doormat. I have got 7 super simple steps that truly work. Each and every one of them has been my practice from being a chronic yes-man to being an owner of my own life. Step 1. Call it what it is. No more, I'm just helpful. People-pleasing is when you completely deny yourself just to keep others at ease. Say it aloud right now: I'm a people pleaser. Feels disgusting, doesn't it? Good. It is the first fracture in the prison wall. Step 2. Spot your triggers in real time. The next time you are asked for a favor, slow down and ask yourself this one question: if I knew they would be perfectly fine with a no, what would I say? The space between your response and what you really say. That's your people-pleasing nature working. Acknowledging it is the way to overcome it. Step 3. Learn the magic 3-word sentence. Can't at this moment. That's all. You don't have to write a book. Keep on practicing it at the mirror until it actually does not feel rude anymore. Because it is not rude, it's respect. For yourself. Step 4. Begin with the smallest possible no. Whenever you feel like staying home and lying on the couch, say no to the group chat that is asking, "Who's free Saturday?" when you want to stay home and rot on the couch. Say no to the addition of, "Just let me know if you need anything else," on every email. Tiny no's help to strengthen the muscle. Step 5. Make your default answer, "I'll let you know." This is the ultimate power move. It buys you time so you don't reflexively say yes anymore. People who please others 99% of the time will be saying yes within the first 3 seconds. End that habit and you will be halfway to freedom already. Step 6. Stop over-explaining yourself. You don't have to justify with a good enough reason to say no. Saying, "No, I don't want to," is a complete sentence. Once you justify, you give the other person your power back. Keep it short. Can you cover my shift? Nope, can't. Good luck though. Step 7. Treat every single boundary like you just won the lottery. Saying no, and the other person looking disappointed. Yes, indeed, give yourself a high five. That little pain means you did it correctly. Write it down in your notes app. March 15th, told Sarah I can't help with her move. It was hell for 30 seconds, then I felt like a king. Keep stacking those victories. Here is a truth no one else speaks out loud. The ones who get angry when you start saying no, they were not your friends at any point, they only found it easy to take advantage of you. Release them. Your true ones will surely support you. You are not turning into a jerk, you are just taking the lead of your own damn life. Now, what is your task? Do it today. Select one thing that you have been avoiding saying yes to and say no. Text it, say it out loud, whatever. Afterwards, come back here and comment, "I did it," so that we can all celebrate you. If this resonated with you, please hit the like button. It really helps me to reach out to more people who are stuck just like you were 5 minutes ago. Also, leave a comment about the toughest no you've ever said. I read each and every one. You have only one life. Do not throw it away for free. See you next time. Now go treat yourself a little. You earned it.